Hey guys, Tyler here from FlexArm, and what we got for you today is a quick story that we would like to share with you. A local prospect actually inquired in with FlexArm looking for another way to help free up their 5-axis CNC machines. So the end user ended up sending some parts, material, taps into FlexArm, and we went ahead and ran a quick demonstration on our GH30 hydraulic tapping arm. So that's 632 capacity all the way up to 1.25 inches. So the tap that they sent into us was a 7/8 full torque tap. Tapping into aluminum, it's a blind hole, but here's the kicker. They're tapping at 10.5 and 15-degree angles, and we guarantee perpendicularity with the FlexArm. So what our machinist here did for us is manufacture a wedge. That way the part's actually gonna stay perpendicular to the FlexArm. And as you can see in the videos, we went ahead and just made some soft jaws, threw it in a Kurt vise. That way the wedge was able to compensate for those two angles that we had to tap on. So if you got something similar, go ahead, take on the FlexArm challenge. Give me a call at 1-800-837-2503. We'll go ahead and run a tap test for you. Thanks guys, talk to you soon.